Hi, this is Melinda Bailey with a short video on how to use Google Keep. Google Keep is one of my favorite Google products. It's a quick way to organize your thoughts, make a to-do list, or share anything with another colleague. So with Google Keep, it's very similar to sticky notes if you've used sticky notes on Windows. You can create a note by clicking on Take a Note at the top. Maybe I'm going to put today's to-do list. So I need to do my laundry, pick up kids, make dinner. So when you create a list, the default is text, but if you'd like to add checkboxes, you click on the three dots and click Show Checkboxes. So you've automatically created a task list that you can edit later. If you click off of it, it will save the note automatically. The note does not appear at the top unless you pin the note. So you can see I've prioritized these lists at the top by pinning them. However, if there's other important information like here, Wi-Fi password, I can save it underneath. If there's a note that I want to delete, this is a duplicate note, I would click on the three dots and then click delete note, and it moves to the trash. So again, if I need to delete a note, click the three dots and delete the note. Now, if I accidentally deleted a note and I don't want it to be deleted, I can restore it by clicking on the restore button. If I have a note that is a duplicate and I want to delete forever, I can delete it forever. Google will prompt you asking you, are you sure you want to delete this note forever? And you would click delete. So here I have my notes. I like to organize my notes for the classroom by color. So my French 1 note was red, my French 2 note was blue. You can see this is a checklist with the checkboxes, and you can automatically copy and paste hyperlinks into your Google Keep. So if you're away from your computer, but you have your phone and you find something that you would want to use for class, you can keep it in a Google Keep and access it later. If there is another person I would want to share my Google Keep note with, I can just type in their email and the Google Keep note is shared with them and it will automatically show up in their Google Keep. So here I'm going to go ahead and close this note. I'm going to go back to my to-do list, and if I want to jazz it up and add an image, I can simply copy an image. Here's a Google Classroom header, a banner type header that I've created in Canva, and I can add it to the top of a list, and I can still see my to-do list. So I like to zhuzh up my keep notes with the banners from Canva if you want to add a little something special. I know sometimes it's fun to personalize things with images, so you can do that as well with Google Keep. So we've gone over how to create a list. You just click on the top here to create your list. You can add checkboxes by going to More and click Show Checkboxes. You can pin a note by clicking on the pin that is in the top right corner, and you can delete a note by clicking on More and deleting the note. So you can also use the different colors at the top to organize notes for specific purposes. Maybe uh, green is parent communication, maybe red is school site things that you need to complete urgently, other things like that. You can copy a note directly to Google Docs. So if you click on the More three dots and then click on Copy to Google Docs, it will automatically copy it in Google Docs. and you can see it's everything that was on the note will appear. Similarly, if you copy a note that has an image at the top, the image will also appear in Google Docs as well. So you can see it has the banner from Canva that I created. And for this note, I did not delete the checked items, so it's still going to show the checked items that I've completed underneath my to-do list. So if you have any more questions about how to use Google Docs, please let me know. I love this program. It's really easy to use. There are some other features that I have not gone over. So if you'd like to schedule a one-on-one to go over these features more in depth, please let me know. And thanks for watching.